ça va être d'essayer de faire tout le long avec des 25 livres et puis essayer de me dépasser, d'améliorer par rapport à la semaine passée. Sinon, pour moi, là, c'est la 3e semaine. Hier, c'était X-Trainer. Ça a super bien été, donc on va essayer de continuer sur le même chemin et puis continuer à s'améliorer de jour en jour. Donc sur ce, on part ça et puis on va voir comment ça va aller.
Just stay focused in there. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your butt, inner thighs together. Tuck the hips under, tighten up the core, head in neutral spine. Let's go. Push, push, squeeze the bicep. There's no weights involved, but you're gonna feel it in a second. Come on. You just warmed up the shoulders. You're pushing through. You're right there. There you go. Everything's and down, go. You got it. Down, go. Come on, 3 more, go. Go. You're almost there. 1 more, go. And switch, core tight, down, up. And switch, down, up. Head in neutral spine. You're just concentrating on yourself right now. Come on, you're just concentrating on yourself. Yo, come on, you gotta push, you gotta push. You gotta push, you gotta push. How you feel, Danielle? Yeah? She's doing the bands, it's no joke. I can't go as fast as her with my dumbbells. I'm fighting, I'm hurt. Come on, it's nothing, Danielle. I thought you don't sweat. Come on, you got it. Come on, guys. Push, 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 push. There you go, dig it out, dig it out, dig it out. Come on, you're right there. You're right there, feel it in your shoulder. Arm is out to balance yourself. Core is tight. Push 15 seconds. Dig. Come on. Push it out. Breathe. You're almost there, guys. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Single arm plank. Hold. You feel that shaking? But you gotta hold on. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Take it to the other side. After engage, you gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. Come on, push. Just breathe through. Breathe through. You can do it. It's a little bit of work, but you can go. Come on, push. Push and press. Look at that form. Look at that control. If you're actually doing just looking, you probably shouldn't be looking at me right now, but pay attention to what I was doing. You should be doing what Tracy's doing. Come on. There you go. Good. Lift those lower hips off the foot. They're going to want to fall down. You have to engage those lower hips. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Keep fighting through. How you feel, Tracy? Come on. You're right there. Keep going. Keep going. You're only 15 seconds in. Sorry to tell you that. 1. Up. And curl. 1. Up. And curl. 2. Up. And curl. 3. Up. And curl. 4. Up. And curl. 5. Come on. Up. And curl. 6. Then you'll still do 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Adjust the hand. Adjust the hand. Ready? Go. 5. Come on. Up to 4. You got it. 3, 2, 1. Adjust the hand again. Ready? Do 5. Come on. 5. You got it. 4. Come on. 3, 2. Stay there. Look. Push. Push. Come on. You can do it, guys. Go all the way in. Focus, 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 focus. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Come on. Act like I'm in your house with you. And you got to do it right, because your trainer's there. Come on. Come on, come on. There you go. Come on. Push, push, push. Come on, guys. Get in there. Get in there. Get in. Come on, burn it out. Burn it out. Burn it out. Push. 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 Come on, guys. Go. 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 It's no holds barred competition right here. You gotta dig it through. Come on. 5, 4. No breaks. 3, 2. You ready? Set up for the overhead press. Go. Right away. Right away. Push through it. Push through it. Push through it. Your body's going. Keep pushing it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep digging. Keep digging. You're there. More. Go. Come on. Push. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta push. Keep moving through. Core tight. Don't rock. If you start to rock, just go slow. Okay? If you have it under control, you got it. You feel it? You feel it? You're in it? She can't even talk. Come on, girl. Come on, lift. Work the shoulders. Work it. Push, push. I know you want to punch me in my face, but you can't lift your arm to do it. So what? Come on, go.
Bon, c'était un peu élite. Je vous dirais cette semaine, là, je vais continuer à me répéter, là, mais plus on avance, plus c'est difficile. On dirait là, cette semaine, j'ai juste pris des 25 livres, là, donc le burn-out de la fin, là, c'était quelque chose, c'était vraiment rough, passer au travers. Mais bon, l'important c'est qu'on est resté dedans et puis continuer jusqu'à la fin. Mais là, on dirait cette semaine, je sais pas, je me sens d'attaque cette semaine, puis on dirait que je suis à plus pousser, puis j'ai l'impression aussi que ça... le Asylum Volume 2 commence à me rentrer dans le corps dans le sens que je définis plus, mon corps se définit plus et puis je suis capable de plus pousser dans mes entraînements. Donc ça c'est bon signe, c'est le fun. Faut pas lâcher. Puis là, demain c'est Power Legs et puis Ab Shredder. Donc on commence des doubles entraînements. J'ai pas fait le Ab Shredder encore, donc j'ai bien hâte de voir qu'est-ce que c'est. C'est le premier exercice de abs que dans les séries Asylum a, parce que dans le volume 1, il n'y en avait pas. Et puis j'ai bien hâte de voir ce que ça va donner et puis comment Shanti va nous faire travailler ces abs-là. Donc sur ce, si vous avez des questions, toujours sur Facebook, Get Fit with Coach Francis, ou bien sur mon site internet www.getfitwithcoachfrancis.com. Et puis dans le fond, n'hésitez pas, je suis là pour vous aider. S'il y a quoi que ce soit, n'ayez pas peur, écrivez-moi, je vais vous répondre aussitôt. Je regarde mes courriels régulièrement, donc à chaque jour. Fait que si vous avez des questions sur n'importe quel programme, ou même Asylum ou Insanity, ça va me faire plaisir de vous répondre. Sinon, lâchez pas, continuez de faire play, puis on se voit demain. Salut!